Alright guys, what's up? So today we have an anonymous cameraman, unless you want to introduce yourself, it's up to you.
Julius.
Yeah, got him working. You said you wanted an urban cheese bread, right?
Yep,
6
that's
inch?
right.
Okay, so I've never gotten to show you guys this in the work vlog before, but we're going to be making a sandwich. So he wants a meatball, which this is a pain in my butt because this is the most messy sandwich to make. You go in here and for a 6 inch you grab 4 meatballs. I'm not really sure how many that is. Oh, look at that, 4. I'm a sub-genius. So we go like that. Would you like any cheese on here?
Mozzarella.
You would like some mozzarella cheese? Will the sandwich be toasted?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so just put a handful of mozzarella on there like that, and there's going to be sauce all over your gloves. It's always messy as can be. Pick it up, put it on the thingy, and then you pop it into here. Then there's a bunch of different options. For this one, you just want to click the 1 meat option and 6 inch. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, so there it is. The meatball sandwich is complete. Then pull it out. You can get your aim right. Alright, so here it is, beautifully toasted. Is there going to be any veggies on this, sir?
Onions.
You want some onions? So you just grab a couple. You know, Subway has their dumb rules. I just kind of grab a handful and, you know, you can judge a person. Like, you could just kind of tell if, when they're ordering certain things, how much they want of it. It's the Subway psychic sense. Is there anything else you would like on it?
Oregano and Parmesan, and that's it.
Oregano and Parmesan. I take it you love oregano, so
Oh,
you
yeah.
want extra on that. You know, that has nothing to do with the fact that I saw you make a chicken teriyaki earlier and cover every inch of chicken in oregano. What about Parmesan? You want a lot or just a little bit?
That's good right there.
That's good right there?
Oh, pepper too, pepper. Yeah.
Okay, you seem like a guy that likes a medium amount of pepper, just like
Yep.
something real, just a nice even coat. And normally for a foot long, you would fold it up and like chop it, but it's just a 6 inch. So you just close it up like that, you pick it up, come over here, you grab your little 6 inch wrap, you go like that, Badoop, bring in the sides, roll it up nice and neat, grab a bag. Normally you put the stickers on it, but doing it with a glove is a pain in the arse. And you know, he's literally about to eat it in 30 seconds, put the napkins in the bag, and then you ring it up, and that's a Subway sandwich.